In one of my last videos, I talked about making money, making additional profit from ads that are only making a little bit of money. But today I want to talk about what do the big guns do? What do the people spending thousands and thousands of dollars on Amazon ads a month and making like 10 times the profit on those? What are they doing? And part of it is they're writing in series that have a really high potential for read through. So they maybe have a 10 book, 20 book series. So they know they're going to make big bucks no matter how high they bid on book one. They know if they're going to make $15, $20 when they sell book one, they can actually bid higher, which allows them to scale up their ads even more. These authors, when they find out that that a book is converting well, they run the Amazon ads, but they also do it in conjunction with Facebook ads, BookBub ads as well. They're always running promos. They're using their email list. They're pulling out all the stops. But they will also run a lot of ads at the beginning of a book's launch in order to try to get it extremely high in the Kindle store. So they're doing a lot of things that you maybe shouldn't do when you only have a couple of books out. You shouldn't necessarily want to be just like the big guns because of what they do. They're doing it very intelligently because they know they're going to make big money on the read-through. And if you don't have that capability quite yet, then I would still start slow, start small, work on profit, and then go from there.